We got a 2003 Toyota Camry. Asking $39.95. Now the mileage a little high, 246, but I'm gonna tell you what, you can't tell it by looking at it and how it drives. It's clean as a whistle. It is a nice looking car. And well taken care of. Sitting there running. Get on the inside and look at it. Cushions all look in good shape. Plastic vinyl. All looks in good shape. Nice little car. This is what you call a go to work car. All right, come on down here and see us at Williams Motors, Wingo, Kentucky. And we'll make you a deal. We got a parking lot full of cars today. So come on down and see us.